Yes, we have received reports of government officers we suspect from the security forces intimidating pastors who are carrying out their duties and preaching the good news of salvation of Jesus Christ. Our sermons as pastors are sometimes prophetic, and they may call out on injustices in the country. And that is something that we have seen, especially in the last 6 months. But this has been a tradition. We ask the pastors not to be intimidated. Just like the prophets of old, those who are guilty, they fear even their own shadow. We ask pastors, wherever they are, to speak boldly and to preach freely and to prophesy when God has placed a message on them. We are also calling on the officers of the government who are intimidating church leaders to cease and desist from intimidating or attempting to abduct or arrest the pastors. Pastors are agents of God, and they must speak the truth, like all the prophets of God. And we continue with that tradition until the Lord comes back.
You have said about abduction. You have seen Inspector General of Police, President William Ruto, Interior Minister saying it's not the government abducting. Who is this abducting Kenyans?
Thank you very much. We have condemned all the abductions and disappearances of any Kenyan. The Kenya Human Rights Commission reported about 26 names of Kenyans who are missing. And I think the police also did the same. We have had those denials, but we only have one government which was elected by the people of Kenya. And we are asking the government to tell us if it is not the government who is doing the abductions. They have the machinery to actually know who is doing it. So until that time, Kenyans believe that it is their government that is abducting them.
Yeah, I think the best question you should be asking is whether the church is going to stop talking. The church is not going to be silenced. The church will point out the wrongs in the society. We are Kenyans. We are also leaders in this country. And so whenever it calls for our voice, we will raise our voices. And whenever it calls for our actions, we will also be involved in those actions. So we request all Kenyans to just remain on alert and read our pastoral letter that we have given to them so that they become in charge. Article 1 says the sovereignty of this country is in the hands of the citizens. So we want to ask leaders to listen and listen and listen to the voices that are pointing out to whatever is being raised. Thank you.